Creating wealth is a simple strategy often overlooked and way overcomplicated. One of the main pillars of wealth building is sound investing in non-complicated type of investments that one can hold on to for life. There are several types of investments, but this video will focus on 3 investments that anyone can own, whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000. Patience is key, along with having the right vehicle and strategies to create wealth and retire early using this type of investing. In this video, I will discuss minimalist strategies and techniques anyone can use to build wealth using 3 simple investments, and how you too can create a similar investment portfolio by using the techniques outlined in this video. Get ready, you are now entering the Academy. First, let's go over an important concept of investing, and that is dollar cost averaging, which is a strategy that allows an investor to buy the same dollar amount of an investment on regular intervals. The purchases occur regardless of the asset's price. As the price of the stock or fund drops, dollar cost averaging allows an investor to purchase more shares at the same dollar amount. And as the price goes up, purchases are for less shares at the same dollar amount. Consistent dollar cost averaging is the key to increasing positions in a portfolio over time, thus increasing the value of an undervalued and underappreciated stock or fund. This formula creates maximum potential for returns and gains, building up a position of a stock or fund while it's undervalued and waiting for it to appreciate to gain big profits. In the meantime, while waiting, a nice dividend may be collected from the company or companies if the stock or fund does pay a dividend. Minimalism isn't just for people who want to live out of a van or cram their life into a backpack. This is what you usually think of when you hear about minimalism, but minimalism is really just a mindset. And if you apply this concept to investing, you can think of it as invest in the handful of things that are worth investing in and leave everything else behind. You will be better off. Warren Buffett estimated investors have wasted more than $100 billion on advice on the hottest stock or investing on the latest tech stocks, etc. just over the past decade. So why pay higher fees and get worse performance when you can easily put together your own small portfolio? Here are some examples of simple portfolios that can be created covering different types of funds, asset classes, and regional diversification. The portfolio consists solely of ETFs, which are exchange-traded funds for purposes of diversification and risk mitigation. For a minimalist portfolio, we have ticker symbol VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which is a large blend ETF consisting of large, mid, and small cap US focused stocks, which with an expense ratio of 0.03%, meaning for every $1,000 invested, you only pay $30 per year in management fees. The ETF also pays an average quarterly dividend of 1.7%, which is a great bonus in addition to being an appreciating asset that will grow over time. The next ticker symbol is VXUS, which is the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. This is a large blend international ETF consisting of broad exposure across developed and emerging non-US equity markets with an expense ratio of 0.09%. Meaning for every $1,000 invested, you only pay $90 per year in management fees. The ETF also pays an average quarterly dividend of 2.9%, adding an additional bonus to the investment portfolio. Finally, we have ticker symbol BND, which is the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF with a dividend yield of 2.88%. The total dividend yield of the portfolio is 2.62%, assuming the ETFs are equally weighed in the portfolio, each 33%. By placing more weight on VTI and VXUS, you can guarantee substantial growth for your portfolio over time. An optimal weighing of the portfolio would be something like 65% VTI, 25% VXUS, and 10% BND. A simple stock trading app that can be used to start your wealth building portfolio is Webull. With just $100, you can start investing and creating massive wealth down the road. Be sure to click on the link in the description to sign up with eBull so you can use the portfolio to get started investing in this minimalist wealth producing investment. And if you sign up now, you'll receive 2 free stocks, possibly totaling over $1,000 in value. So start investing in this wealth producing portfolio now. By employing the strategies mentioned in this video, you can create a low risk, appreciating asset that pays dividend income over time and continues to pay income continuously. Through careful planning and diligent investment of capital, as well as reinvestment of dividends, one can create a growth and income producing asset that can provide substantial income, eventually covering everyday expenditures and beyond. The Webull stock trading app provides a great vehicle which allows for commission-free buying and selling of stocks, thus producing a great way to create and grow a minimalist investment portfolio using the methods mentioned above. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started on creating your very own wealth-producing asset and start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.